Welcome to Instrui. We're here to help you really maximise your opportunity with the Smart Learning Suite. Our role as a UK Certification Centre is to work with you to develop your implementation plan, your class programmes and training programmes, whether you're working directly with teachers, with students or with a different audience. We're here to help you flex your style and develop your way of delivery in order to get the maximum return on the time you take with your audience. We're also going to help you develop your style when it comes to delivery, so you can get as much interaction as you possibly can, so you can deal with an audience and whether they have any objections to what's going on, you're going to be able to handle that in the most effective way. We want you to really grasp the technology, be able to utilise it and work your way around it in order for your audience to really recognise the value that Smart bring to their learning environment.